snails and many kind of fish live also there. And at the bottom layer, holdfasts are attached to the floor. Some animals could be sea urchins and brittle stars. Its abiotic factors we have, for example, temperature. Temperature has a big role in this habitat for the rich nutrition of kelps. Another factor could be photosynthesis made by kelps, that it is very important for its habitat. Consumer type. Well, leopard sharks are normally a tertiary consumer. Why that? Well, easy. For example, you can see this example of a food chain. Uh, well, as they are tertiary consumers, we can see it taking these examples. The primary producers are phytoplankton, that is the one in the lowest part of the screen. It's the primary consumer is zooplankton. Secondary consumers could be small fishes that are useful as food for leopard sharks, that is the tertiary consumer. But leopard sharks are useful in food for quaternary consumers. That an example could be a great white shark. So that is its importance in the food chain. As he's a tertiary consumer, he is food for a quaternary consumer. I use the same example of the fast food chain, uh, circling our tertiary consumer with pink and our quaternary consumer with green. So yeah, its importance is following the food chain by providing food or nutrients to the last level, that is our quaternary consumer. And these are my references. Just to finish this presentation, I would like to share a time of me watching Monterey Bay Aquarium. It's live cams. So let me project. So as you can see here, we are on our live shark cam Monterey Bay Aquarium. You can enter by its web page, and you have the stream, or you can watch it on YouTube. I'm watching it on YouTube right now. You could see here, right at the below of the video, you could see the leopard shark on the on its habitat. You can see it over here to right, going in the center. Also another one over here to the above the screen. Sorry, I'm back. My internet was having problems. Here is the leopard shark. Here you can see it moving around its habitat. Here you can see they put some kelp plants, and leopard sharks. I also read that they like to be like over the rocks, just over the rocks. That will be all. Thank you for watching.
Well, in conclusion, we did learn many things from our biology video, but also during the stage 3, we did learn the scientific names of our animals that we researched, that most of them carry a root since they are like families from other animals. We also learned their habitats. Some of the animals do share habitats with others, or they may just live in a small habitat. Also, we learned the climate. How is it? Is it hot? Is it dry? Or empty? We also learned the biotic factors, that are the living things that interact with them. They may be like plants or other animals or something. And also the abiotic factors, that it can be like, how is the weather? Is it very dry or something like that. Also, we learned what position did they play in the food chain, the primary consumers, the secondary consumers, is it a tertiary consumer, a decomposer, or a producer. Most of our animals were consumers, tertiary and secondary consumers, and their importance in the food chain. Every animal in a habitat, it is important to the food chain. If there was one animal missing, then the food chain will go wild, and clearly it may cause some species to go extinct. So thank you very much. We did learn a lot from this biology stage, and thank you.